Hi, so this is an introduction to our works for Civilworks for the shed. Our project is to construct a shed for our. In this location, I will show you what is required and how the construction will be. So the very first step is to first get a rough idea or 4 corner points as to where the exact construction will take place. Once you have determined the layout, doesn't have to be exact. It can be a little bit 1, 2, 3 meters offset, doesn't matter, because we just need to know the area so that we can. The first step would be to do the fencing for the area, to enclose the area with fencing. As you can see in the front side, there is already fencing, and on the left side fencing. We are in the process of fencing the area completely so that we can start the rest of the works. So after we determine the location of the plot or the work area, we will enclose the area with the fence, and then in the meantime we will prepare for the next step of works while at the same time making sure that we are following all proper safety guidelines of the client as well as the municipality. Any rules that they have for safety for working in an outside zone in the country that you're working in has to be followed properly, as well as applying for all relevant permits and documentation so that we can do the work without any problems or situations coming up later which force us to stop the work and then resolve issues. As you can see in this drawing, in this area, particularly in this area, this is our project area where we are going to construct a shed. So the first step would be to mark the layout exactly. The way to mark the layout or the corner points or everything, there are 2 methods. The first method is to call a surveyor and to get the surveyor to give you the exact points, corner points, or relevant points, control points, or any other points required to mark out the exact location of the construction area. The second method to do this work is to apply for a GIS survey by the municipality, where they will come and they will give you the corner points according to the GIS system, which is linked with the satellite system. So according to the satellites, global positioning satellites and GIS system, they will give you the corner points of the construction area. After you have the corner points, the next step would be to see what is the requirements to go for excavation or to go for soil test or whatever. So in our case, we have already done those steps, and our next step would be to go for piling. So piling works, as you can see, they have already been completed. So regarding the piling works, we have given a contract to a subcontractor, and he has come and he has done the piling works at the predetermined location that has been marked by a surveyor, which has also been checked by a consultant. So now the piling works are complete, and in this area the next step would be to let the piling works cure for a bit, approximately 3 to 4 days, and then to start the excavation works. So for our shed, we have to do the excavation and compaction of the sand, and then the next step would be to clean the area and to go for foundation for the shed.